All right, so here's what I'm going to talk about. Number one, the stages of the value journey. We're talking about optimizing the value journey. We're talking about optimizing the value journey. If you want to optimize the value journey, you've got to know the stages of the value journey. Next, we're going to be talking about the growth triad framework. The growth triad framework, we're going to go over that and how important it is to have those components all working together. And then last but not least, a plan for getting started. See, some people will come here today and they'll listen, they'll gain new information, but statistics show only a small percentage of people will actually take action to make something change. My challenge for you is to not let that statistic be true today. My challenge for you is to take something from today and implement it and take new action so you can achieve new results. Exactly. Now, there is a formula for amplified action. A formula for amplified action. If you're wondering what is amplified action, it is action that gets results. Because you can take action and not get results. You ever had a day where you wake up and you had something that you want to get done, and you're busy throughout the day, you're just getting stuff done, you're knocking things out, but you look at the end of the day and the one thing that you really want to get done, you haven't made any progress? It happens. So if we want to get results, the desired results, we got to have amplified action. Here's the formula. Does anyone want to help me crack the code on what this is? I'm going to walk you through this. So the first thing is dissatisfaction. Document a journey. We started exploring this a moment ago. We're going to dive in a little bit deeper now. So the documented journey is by really defining with clarity the pathway that you're going to walk people through as they start entering into your business or your organization or your mission. Now, awareness, this may be when a prospect sees an ad or finds you in search or hears about you by a referral. They become aware that you're there. That's great. Now, some people make the mistake of, now that you're aware, let's do business. You ever go to a business event, networking event, and someone's passing you their card? And they're all like, all right, oh, do you need a roof right now? When's the last time you had your roof inspected? What are you talking about? We just met. Well, let's have a conversation. And what does that do when someone is too aggressive right out the gate? Want to back off. Maybe you go to a nonprofit event, and the first thing they are doing is like, thanks for coming. Would you like to make a donation? Whoa. It's a little too much too soon. All right. We're going to keep following up. You want to give a donation now? Whoa. Man, these guys are hammering me. Focused action. So this is my final thought that I want to challenge you is to think about what's one focused action that you could take leaving here today that could make an impact for your business, for your goals, for your organization. What's one action that you could take and write it down and put a date by it. Write it down. I'm seeing some people writing. But I challenge you to write it down, one action you could take from the day, and put a date by it. When you do that, you're committing to yourself, to the world, that you're an amplifier, that you are a transformer, that you are here to make a difference. Thank you.